Good morning. In this simulation, we will understand the concept of phase. Phase is used when there is a periodic phenomena occurring. In physics, generally, the periodic phenomena depends on space and time. To start with, let us consider one simple example of a circle. Here we have a slider which can change the value of phase from 0 to 6.28. Let us put some value. Now assume that this is you standing on a circle. The question is where you should stand. Where you should stand depends on the value of phase. If the value of phase is zero point 0.2, you will stand here. So if the value of phase is 0, you will be starting at x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. And if the value of phase is just before 6.28, that is 1.87 pi, you will be standing in the fourth coordinate. Or if the value of phase is 1 pi, you'll be standing at y is equal to 0 and x equal to -1. So let us observe this in a continuous motion. I use this slider to change the value of phase continuously and observe what happens to the phase. Each value of phase corresponds to one position on the circle. Let us observe this. As the value of phase increases, you complete half the circle and a 2 pi completes one circle. Another example of periodic motion is to and fro motion. So we can observe that also. In physics, it is known as simple harmonic motion. Let us look at simple harmonic motion also. There's a one-to-one correspondence between circular motion and simple harmonic motion also. So we have a point moving on a circle, a phase changing from 0 to 2 pi, and there is a simple harmonic motion going on here. Let us start this. So at the starting, a simple harmonic motion, it was at the right end and it's going to the left end. When circle completes half, it comes to -1, and in the later half of the circle, the simple harmonic oscillator returns to its original position. Also, we can depict the same thing in the form of a graph, because this is for visualization and generally graphs are used to represent periodic motions and simple harmonic motion. Let us visualize the same thing, the motion on a circle, in a graph form. Now there's one more parameter which is used in physics, the initial phase. To understand the initial phase, the phase at the starting of the motion is known as initial phase. For example, the initial phase is 1.28 pi, or if it's here, the initial phase is 0.49 pi. So what it means, so if I start a motion with 0.49 pi, observe what happens to the cosine graph. So the cosine graph starts at about 0 and then goes to -1 and then comes up to 0. And as it approaches 0, it becomes 1. And then when it comes close to a starting point, it completes one cycle of a cosine graphs.